Garabia hata kujua nani kaandaa shughuli yote hii, aloisimamia mapambo kila kitu dambu. Ili atujibu.
Kwanza that's my best day. It's the best day of my life. I don't know, best day of the year, I don't know. But it looks real nice. Ideas, materials, in terms of okay, tufanyeje wapi, Mama Mara.
Paula, thank you very much. Thank you. Ni Paula. Imagine.
So
amefanya kwa ajili ya penzi la mama yake.
Thank you so much, Paul. Thank you so much, Paul.
Yeah.
And,
wow.
It's like a joke.
Watoto wachache wenye moyo kama wachache.
So deep. Yeah. It's like a joke. But she came out with an idea. Nikasema kwamba Mama akasema kwa nini sio unafanya this, like we can put it together events and propose on a particular event.
Look at Paula.
So
yuko emotional Paula.
Na mama kama
analia maskini. Paula analia, she's crying.
So tukasema okay, acha tuone tutafanya baba.
She's crying.
She's done everything well. Mimi sikutegemea kama itakuwa hivi. So thank you so much.
Pigeni makofi kwa Paula.
We really appreciate that. God bless you.
Mpeni makofi.
Good job. Yeah. Good job.
Thank you.